is on our radar today?
Well, Sonal, the stock isn't focused on the back of its Q3 September year ended 25 numbers. Siemens follows a September year end, so which is why it's Q3 for them. Keep in mind that the revenue growth here came in at almost 16% on a year-on-year basis. This is 4% higher than what we were expecting, and therefore it's driven by largely better execution. But on the flip side, when you look at the operational performance, the other expenses grew by almost 40%. The project bought outs and other direct costs were up almost 22%. Resultantly, the EBITDA margin came under pressure, down almost 90 basis points, and in fact slightly lower than what the street was anticipating it as well. So therefore it's a miss as far as the EBITDA margin is concerned. EBITDA came in 7% higher, but the net profit declined by 3% on a year-on-year basis, and that is because the other income declined by almost 21% on a year-on-year basis, and therefore it missed the street expectations. Let's also look at how specific segments performed this time around. Good growth came in from mobility, which was up almost 34%. The smart infra business also, which is a major contributor to Siemens revenue, saw an uptick of almost 21%. But what did not do too well is the digital industries, which was down almost 5%, and low voltage motors also saw subdued growth of around 1%. Now let's look at how each of these segments contributed to the margins as well. The sharpest fall came in low voltage motors, down almost 1,150 basis points. The margins for smart infra also were under a tad bit of pressure. But on the flip side, mobility and digital industries reported an improvement in their margins as well. Ordering activity came in at 5,680 crores. This is the order inflow. This is up almost 13% on a year-on-year basis and has come in higher than what some of the brokerages were anticipating. So bodes well for the company. The order book too seeing an uptick of 8%. Nuvama has a hold rating target price of 3,170 rupees per share. Overall, operationally, it's a weak set of numbers, but the ordering activity was good, and probably that could be the reason why the stock has seen a good recovery.
Indeed, Vamakshi, thank you for that. 2.5% higher on Siemens, a very sharp recovery from the lows of the day, almost 150 plus rupee pop from those levels.